Many of us heard the word tropical cyclones in televisions, radios, and also in social media. Now let's see what does it mean. The tropical cyclones are nothing but the cyclones formed in the tropical region. And now what is tropical region? It is the area of the earth near to the equator and is between Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere and Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere. Finally, the cyclones formed in this area are called as tropical cyclones. These tropical cyclones are known by different names depending on their place of formation. If the tropical cyclones formed in Pacific Ocean, then they are called as typhoons. In the Indian Ocean, they are known by simply cyclones and called hurricanes if the cyclones formed in Atlantic Ocean. Now coming to the part of naming a cyclone, the World Meteorological Department has divided the tropical region into different zones on the basis of latitudes and longitudes. And now what these latitudes and longitudes are? These horizontal lines are called as latitudes and the vertical lines are longitudes. The division of tropical region was done such that the responsibility of giving a name to a cyclone formed in a region is on the meteorological departments and the cyclone warning centers located in that region. For example, Central Pacific Ocean is marked equator northward between 140 degrees west and 180 degrees west longitude, and this region comes under United States Central Pacific Hurricane Center. If any cyclone forms in this region, then the name to that cyclone is given by United States Central Pacific Hurricane Center. Now let's look at Northern Indian Ocean region. It is marked equator northward between 40 degrees and 100 degrees eastern longitude, and this region comes under Regional Specialized Meteorological Center located in New Delhi, and it is the body of Indian Meteorological Department. The cyclones in this particular region are named by Indian Meteorological Department. So likewise, different regions were marked on the basis of latitudes and longitudes, and the naming is done by respective meteorological departments and cyclone warning centers located in that particular area. So now we came to know that it is the duty of Indian Meteorological Department to name a cyclone which originate in the northern Indian Ocean area. For the first time in the year 2000, the different meteorological departments near northern Indian Ocean region were asked to submit a list of names to the IMD. The submission of list of names to the IMD by different countries' meteorological departments was completed by the year 2004. The 8 countries, Bangladesh, India, Maldives, Myanmar, Oman, Pakistan, Sri Lanka and Thailand gave 8 names each. So finally, a list with 64 names was submitted to IMD. Now the names of countries were arranged in the alphabetical order, having Bangladesh's name first in the order and the Thailand being the last. This you can see in the tabular column. The names will be used sequentially column wise. That means the first name will start from the first row of column 1. After that, the name in the second row of first column is taken and then continued sequentially to the last row in the column 8. But in May 2020, the naming of cyclone Amphan exhausted the list of names established in 2004. So now a new list of names was prepared in April 2020. Initially, there were 8 members who gave 8 names each. But later on, 5 more countries, Iran, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Yemen, were added. Currently, there are 13 members in the panel who give 13 names each. Finally, 13 countries submitted the new list of 13 names from each side. That is, a total of 169 names were submitted to Indian Meteorological Department. Cyclone Yas was a tropical cyclone that made landfall in Odisha and West Bengal in May 2021. Also the cyclone Gulab, which made landfall in eastern coast of India on the night of September 2021 and caused significant rainfall in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. The name Gulab was given by Pakistan. Recently, the cyclone Shaheen made landfall in Oman near Muscat. Finally, we can say that the name of next cyclone will be Jawad and the other next will be Asani and so on. Just think why a cyclone should be named. Because it is easier to remember a simple name than numbers and technical terms. That is, it is easy to say Gulab than saying the latitude and longitude of the cyclone.